Well, children, you are doing the right thing by always asking questions. Be skeptical. Just because I look old and I sound intelligent doesn't mean everything I say should be accepted without questions. You are saying, how do you know temperatures have actually warmed? Well, we've been measuring things directly with the thermometer in the atmosphere on land, and we have done measurements of seawater with other ways of, throwing a bucket over the ship and bringing the water and measuring it, and now much more directly with instruments that are floating up and down in the ocean, and there are gliders in the ocean and so on. So we have about 150 years of very good data on temperatures, and we've been observing glaciers. We have photographs of the Argentine Glacier in Switzerland and various other glaciers in Himalaya. We are looking at Greenland, we're looking at Antarctica, we're looking at sea ice over the Arctic and so on. So we have enough data to say with great confidence that there is warming going on. Okay, so we can take all this data. Obviously, it's not covering every point on Earth. So we have what is called coarse data. So we take the data that is distributed unevenly over the planet, and we use some intelligent methods to map the global temperatures, and then we create the climatology. We already know how to do that. Then we look at the anomalies, and we look at anomalies for every month or every year and every decade, and we can see that over the last 60 years or so, each decade has been warmer than the previous decade. So there are direct evidences of global warming happening. Doesn't mean that every point on Earth is warming. It is uneven. Why? Because remember, there are winds that are moving heat around. There are currents in the ocean that are moving heat around, and so on. So there will be some places that are warming faster. We already said the Arctic is warming faster because it has ice albedo feedback, and there are other places which are not warming as fast or even cooling because the ocean can bring up cold water and make it less warm or even cool. But the global mean temperature keeps going up, and that is directly related to the fact that we are increasing greenhouse gases and we are keeping more of the thermal energy in the system, in the Earth system, preventing it from going out to space, right? Listen to the podcast, it'll become clearer.